little racers. Ready, set, go. Today we'll sing about the fastest animals in the world. Those that run, fly, swim, and zoom faster than the wind. Let's learn the alphabet of speed from A to Z. A is for antelope, running free. B is for beetle, fast as can be. C is for cheetah, lightning on land. D is for dolphin, quick and grand. Fast and free from A to Z, racing through the world with me. Wings or fins, hooves or paws, speed is nature's magic, 'cause E is for eagle, soaring high. F is for falcon, king of the sky. G is for gazelle, swift and bright. H is for hare ray, hopping light. I is for ibis, flying wide. J is for jackrabbit, speedy stride. Fast and free from A to Z, racing through the world with me. Wings or fins, hooves or paws, speed is nature's magic, 'cause K is for kangaroo, jumping fast. L is for lion, proud and vast. M is for marlin, slicing through waves.
N is for nighthawk.
Air that he braves. O is for ostrich, running strong. P is for pronghorn, all day long. Q is for quokka, quick and small. R is for roadrunner, fastest of all. S is for sailfish, faster than air. T is for tiger, chasing with flair. U is for uriel, climbing the hill. V is for vulture, gliding with skill. W is for warthog, dashing away. X is for zebra, sprinting in play. Y is for yellowfin tuna at sea. Z is for zebra, wild and free. Fast and free from A to Z, racing through the world with glee. From land to sky, from waves to air, the fastest animals everywhere. Run, swim, fly, what a race! Every creature finds its pace. Speed and spirit side by side, nature's champions full of pride. Wow, racers, you did it! From A to Z, you've learned the fastest animals in the world. Join us again for more musical adventures at Happy Songland, where learning is always fun.